Hey guys, what's up? It is obviously BOXYCHARM time, and I feel like this one came really super late. It was supposedly mailed out on the 5th, and I'm not getting it until today, and today is the 17th of July. I think that is the latest I've ever received a BOXYCHARM. But with that being said, we're going to go ahead and jump right into this month. Just excuse the message you're going to be staring at for a second there. Alright. So let's open it up. For those of you who don't know, BOXYCHARM is a subscription service that comes once a month. It is $21, and you receive 4 to 5 full-size beauty products, sometimes 6 if they're feeling super generous. So we're going to go ahead and get right in. Alright, we've got a card for, there's a thick card, oh it's a little booklet now, I forget that. You get 20% off Wander Beauty, 20% off Pharmacy, and then this is the theme, Road Trippin', and there's a picture of the Boxy Babes, which I am not one of, because we're just not, and then there's all the stuff that you get. All of it. So we're going to set that aside because I like to be surprised. Alright, and here is everything in the box. And the first thing, that we are looking at is a Unleashed Volume and Curl Mascara. Let's see, this is by Wander Beauty. And does it say the color? Is Tarmac the color? I'm not sure if Tarmac's the color or not. According to the sheet, it's black. There's not really much stuff in here about it. So let me read for a minute. It says, this award-winning black and intensely glossy mascara will bring your lashes to new heights. Literally, the Unleashed Mascara volumizes, lengthens, strengthens, and conditions your lashes while using a combination of gentle ingredients. It retails for $24. That seems crazy for, a mascara, but what do I know? This is Cella Tantalizing Taupe Eyebrow Cream. I'm assuming, is it sealed? Oh, okay, I think I broke it. That unscrews. And that's a brush, okay. It says, add some wow to your brows. This innovative eyebrow cream effortlessly defines and shapes your eyebrows with its creamy consistency and built-in brush. The velvet-like formula makes blending easy, then sets, giving you perfect brows that will last all day and night. This sucker is $26. So I'm assuming you pop open the brush, which is an angled brush, and then you pop open, or unscrew, excuse me, that end, as you can see the product is in there, and then you dip your brush in there and put it on your eyebrows. I don't think I'm going to use that. I have other things that I would rather use far more than that, and that just does not seem like a practical thing for me. But that's okay. Not mad at it. Next up is Dr. Brandt, which I absolutely love this brand. This is Needles No More, No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. It's for all skin types. It recommends after your eye moisturizer, warm a tiny amount between fingers and gently pat directly on bags and dark circles. Use alone or under makeup for best results. Let dry in between applications. Reapply as needed. And now the card says, oops, let me turn that around so you guys can see it. The card says, say goodbye to puffy and say hello to youthful, rested-looking eyes with Dr. Brandt's No More Baggage Eye Depuffing Gel. Formulated with biomimetic technology, peptides, and botanical extracts, you are guaranteed visibly reduced under eye bags and dark circles. And this guy is $42. Ooh, that'd be a lot. Next up is by Note. It is a Luminous Silk Compact Blusher with Argan Oil. wonder if it says the color. Ah! Luminous Silk Compact Blusher in number 5, Desert Rose. And it says, designed to work for all skin types, this luminous paraben-free blush adds natural color to your cheeks while preventing dryness with its argan oil-infused formula. The built-in brush and mirror make this little compact a 3-in-1 treat, perfect for the charmer on the go. This is $11.99, so this is more like drugstore, and it's kind of cute packaging, actually. Wow, that is dark. Okay. Oh, there's a cute little brush. That is really cute. And that's a good size mirror. That color though, I don't know. Like I don't want to swatch it just in case I'm not going to use it. It's very pretty and it's very cute packaging. This is something I would probably buy on its own. I really like that. That's cute. I like that. I might actually go and buy one of these. If there's one in a different color. That's cool. All right, and the last thing in here is one that I don't know if I'm excited about it or not. It's by Crown. I've not had a lot of luck with Crown products other than their brushes, which I do happen to like. This is like sealed. I don't even know how to get in here. So we're just gonna, okay. Excuse the glare, you guys. So there's the outer packaging. It's in its own little box. It says Crown Pro on it. Let's see. Net weight 0.71 ounces, 20 grams. Made in China. China makes everything. It says this is the Fuego eyeshadow collection made up of rich, warm tone shades. This creamy, high pigmented palette gives you exactly what you need to create infinite, flawless eye looks. The 4 shimmer shades perfectly complement the 6 matte shades, making this the palette for all your glam goals. This is $29.99. If you hear noise, my cat's on the table being naughty. So let's take a look. So those are the colors. They're pretty big. Let's see if I can see. This is, that almost looks like a shimmer, but I don't think it is. This is hard to see. I don't know if you guys are gonna be able to, whoops, sorry. I'm trying to move you so you guys can see better, but I can't really do that. So we've got like the rust color, a brown, a kind of red brown, chocolate brown, a brown shimmer, a red brown shimmer. So it's kind of like terracotta color. This is kind of a terracotta color with a gold reflect in it. That one is kind of like a nice, it's a warm brown. And then we have this really light color over here. I don't know, I'm looking at it and I'm not like, whoa, I can't wait to use this. But at the same time, it's like, I don't hate it. Like, I don't know what to do with it. I don't know if I want to use it. Like, let's take a look at the, there's no names on the back, right? No. That's one thing I hate about these is there's no names. This feels pretty good. The mirror part, it feels pretty heavy, pretty sturdy. It's got a good sized mirror in it. But the rest of this, like, I would not pay $30 for this. I'm sorry. Oh, I can't even hold it up. I wouldn't. There are some really good palettes made far better than this that I would spend the $30 on. I would not spend $30 on this, is my initial thought. I think I will give this a shot. I will compare it to the Heat because it reminds me of the Naked Heat a lot. Kind of the same sort of colors, maybe a little different. So I will give this a shot and I will let you guys know what I think. But I'm not overly impressed with the palette itself. Like I said, I don't have a lot of luck with their eyeshadows and their makeup products. I love their brushes, and that's about as far as that goes. I'm gonna put this back on here so I don't ruin it. So, not excited about that. I am excited about this. I really do want to try that. I think it's super cute. I love the packaging. This I probably will not use just because it is absolutely not usable for me. It is not something I want to mess with. I just am not interested in that. This I'm curious about, but I have so many other mascaras to try that, or to use, that I don't know if I even want to open this right now. And what is the shelf life on this? 6 months. Not super long, but I'm excited about it. I was looking for a good new, this I'm super excited about. Cannot wait to try this. I'm probably actually going to try this tonight. Let you guys know what I think. I'll take it when I travel, because we're going traveling this weekend, and then come back and give you guys my full report on this. So I'm excited about this. So there's a couple things in here I'm super excited about, a couple things that I'm really not excited about. But again, when you get a subscription box or bag or whatever, that's the chance you can take. You're not going to love everything. If you do, that's fantastic. But if you don't, you know, goes with the course. So thumbs up this video if you want to see more like these. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys were excited about. Let me know what you guys were absolutely not excited about, or wish that you got that you didn't. And subscribe if you haven't. Would love to have you as part of my viewing family. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you guys are always notified whenever I upload, which I'm hoping to get back on a regular schedule of Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And that's it, you guys. Until next time, bye.